Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up use Ford Pro charging management for fleet step by step clearly. To set up Ford Pro charging management for your fleet, start by accessing the Ford Pro user portal. Create an account if you don't have one, or log in if you already do. Once logged in, navigate to the Fleet Manager section of the portal. From the Fleet Manager dashboard, locate the Charging Management option and click on it. Next, you'll need to add your vehicles to the system. Select the Add Vehicles button and enter the necessary information for each fleet vehicle. After adding your vehicles, it's time to configure the charging profiles. Click on the Charging Profiles tab and choose Create New Profile. Define the charging schedule that works best for your fleet's operational needs. Make sure to include preferred charging times and any limited access hours. Once you have set the schedule, save the profile and link it to your vehicles. Now, check the Charging Stations section to ensure all charging locations are connected. If your charging stations are not connected, follow the prompts to integrate them into the management system. After connecting the stations, monitor real-time charging data through the dashboard. Utilize this data to track charging efficiency and vehicle readiness. You can generate reports on charging patterns and costs from the Reports section. These insights will help optimize your fleet's energy consumption. Lastly, make adjustments as necessary to your charging profiles based on performance analytics. Regularly revisit the portal to stay updated on software enhancements and additional features. With these steps completed, your Ford Pro charging management setup is now ready to support your fleet effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.